So some things are very difficult to see, and you're going to need some help. So I bought myself a nice microscope. I used to have one of these, and I sold it for two reasons. One is I got offered too much money for it, and the other was it was kind of taking up a room at the time. But I've always regretted getting rid of it, so I found a real good deal on eBay. So this one was broken in many ways. See, the first repair I did was on the fine focus adjustment. The coarse worked, but the fine was completely locked up due to a bent shaft. So I had to disassemble it, take out the shaft, rebend the shaft straight, put it all back together again. So that now works. The binocular head had a loose prism that had broken loose. I had to glue that back in place. And the tubes that hold the eyepieces, one of them was so bent you couldn't even get an eyepiece in it, so I had to straighten that out. In the base of the microscope is a condenser assembly that allows two different magnification settings. That was completely frozen up due to old grease, which I had to clean all that grease out, and now it works. In the base of the instrument is a bunch of electronics, and that just lights up a light bulb. a lot of circuitry in here just to light a light bulb, but it's set up to have a light from the underside of the microscope, just like a biological microscope, which this is. And it does not have a light source in it yet. I'm going to retrofit a LED light source into it, but right now it's not doing anything. So I'm going to modify this microscope. I'm going to take out the objectives that are in here. There's 5 objectives on a turret, and I'm going to remove that. I'm going to sell this on eBay and try to make as much money as I paid for the whole microscope itself. And what I've done is I've bought a different turret and different objectives. And these are metallurgical objectives. That's usually the way that they're sold is metallurgical objectives. And they have bright field and dark field illumination possible. Now, they're both the same size. They will bolt in exactly in the same place. One is only a 4 turret, one is a 5 turret. And that's because the objectives are much, much larger because they have additional optics inside of them. Each objective has a little strange lens that allows you to have light come in from the sides while you're looking onto the center. And so there's additional complexity in each microscope objective. And then you have to have a strange illuminator that injects light into a ring into the eyepiece. And so all of that's very complicated. So this is the illuminator section that I needed to purchase separately here in the foreground. It does the bright field, dark field illumination for you. And here it is all put together. So now there's an additional item in there before the binocular head, and then the different objectives are there on the bottom. So now I'm able to use this the way that I want to be able to use it. All right, and before I close this video, here's some pictures. This is an IC, I think it's an op amp, and this is bright field illumination. So this is the light coming straight down and straight back. So that's what it looks like. In the same area under dark field illumination, this is where the light comes in from the side and then is looked at from the top. So yeah, it's working pretty good. And here's a final picture with excellent resolution. Looks like it's going to do the job.